Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I will talk about Google Play Store offers. I got a new offer in my Indian account and in this video I will talk about that. Let's start. To find the offer, you have to go to the account section, then you have to go to the reward section, then you will find the offer. And here you can see the offer is showing. Okay, just tap on the get reward and here you can see you will see the full terms and conditions and full details about this offer. 40 Google Play discount on an app, game or in-app item. The offer will expire 4th March 2021. Now here you can see the full terms and conditions for this offer and here you can see use your 40 Google Play discount on a single app, game or in-app item over 40 rupees. Offer applied at checkout. And here you can see popular choices to use this offer and other stuff you can see. So after watching this video, go to Google Play Store and check you got this offer or not, and if you got this offer, please let me know in the comment section below. Now let's just try to use the offer. To use the offer, I will go to the top charts, then top paid section in the games in Google Play Store, and here you can see a bunch of games you can see. Now let's just try to find a game over 40 rupees. And here you can see Vectorful, this game is over 40 rupees. Now let's just try to buy this game and here you can see the offer is showing. Okay, and if I tap on the buy, here you can see I just have to pay 19 rupees. The game is 59 rupees. I just have to pay 19 rupees to buy this game. Okay, so the offer is applied at checkout. So in this way you can use this offer.